here's me. So as you can see, I've already my keyboard and mouse both unplugged. As you can see here. Type. Hang on, let me just zoom in on that. Type. Nothing's typing. And no mouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to plug in these game devices to enable you to play games using your keyboard and mouse. The keyboard goes into a standard USB. Actually no, that was the mouse. The mouse goes into a standard USB spot, and the keyboard goes into the purple sort of circular like fitting. The mouse has reappeared. Cursor. See if it works. You can see it's typing, and also the mouse is moving, so it's worked. Alright, thanks for watching.